So what happened? What happened to him? Just tell me. I'm like, watch my video. No, just tell me. I don't have time to watch. Oh!
Just drop it right there. Drop it perfect.
Out here, outside Damien's house, we're gonna go peacock bass fishing. That's the goal for today. Let's see how it goes. Let me give you all a little sneak peek on what we got going on. This boat right here, just sold it. It's heading to Florida.
Yo, what are you doing, man? What are you doing, man?
Florida.
Get out of here, man. Do some peacock fish. Holy crap!
You gotta match the hatch. We gotta tie turtle flies.
Match the hatch. Deformed turtle. Check it out.
Deformed. Oh, why is he all squished? I'm gonna catch both tarpon that are in this lake today. It's been a few weeks since I fished Damien's lake. You think those tarpon survived? When was the last time you saw one?
I saw one roll like a month ago, 2 months ago.
I saw one roll last time I was here. Swarming the fly. But they're not eating it. They're not quite committing. Oh my God, the tank. The tank is following my fly. Holy crap, that thing is a tank. Slowly following it. Got him. Damn, I didn't even get the big one. There's a bigger one down there. Cast down there. No, trust me, there's another one. He's right down there. Oh, he came off. That one is big too. That one's bigger than the one I got. These fish are hanging out in this grass. You just gotta tease them enough for them to come out of the grass and eat the flies. Oh, mine came off. Mine came off. It's been pretty tough. They usually eat really good. We've only had one fish actually hooked and ended up losing it after. Oh, that's right. We had 2 fish on and lost them both. We got a nice one sitting right here off this dock. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, he's gonna snipe my fish. Don't do it. Don't do it. It's hooked up. There's a bunch of fish, he says. Oh, that's a big school of them. That is a big school of them. Oh, the big one chased it.
I got a large mouth.
Well, that tells you these peacocks are just not fully committing. So there's a giant pot of peacocks sitting right here. Damien actually caught a largemouth. But these peacocks are swarming the floor. Oh. You see all the bait is right up here hugging the shoreline.
Go right here on the shoreline. Right there.
Oh.
Oh, you saw how he reacted?
There's a bunch. Maybe you guys can see, dude, there's like 20 of them right there, but they only want it right on the shoreline. These fish are acting like they're leader shy. They're approaching the fly and then last second deciding they don't want to eat it. Let me go ahead and use some 20 now and see if this changes the outcome. So I'm gonna try the same fly now, but with a 20-pound tippet instead of 30. Maybe it'll get them to actually commit rather than chase the fly and not eat it. Let's see, I see a couple down there. First cast with a smaller leader. Got one. Oh, it's the leader, 100%. 100%. The leader, I changed my leader first cast. I had 30-pound on, I switched to 20, first cast. I got an eat. We were having a hard time getting these fish to commit. They kept chasing the fly. They wouldn't bite it. We had only hooked 2 and they actually ended up spitting. Finally, I realized I was using straight 30-pound for my leader. So I ended up switching it out for a 20-pound tippet, and the very first cast I hooked up, caught a fish. So that seems to be the trick. So apparently these peacocks in this crystal clear water do not like 30-pound tippet.
Right here we got a peacock bass, boy.
What up?
Here we are, man. What up, dude?
What up?
What's up, man? Nice meeting you, bro. What's up, man? David.
What's up, David?
All right.
These guys rolled up on us. What you got going on over here?
Just cleaning lens right here. Cleaning a little cap, little filter.
Well, I literally just dropped the jig in the water by accident, and we just caught a fish. Oh, guys, from the Amazon down here, stocked in a Miami pond. Beautiful fish. Check it out. Smoked the little jig. Gorgeous.
Oh, got one. There's a big one with it too.
You got one?
Yeah, there's a bigger one with him. Cast next to him. Cast next to him.
All right.
I was just walking, like trolling the fly.
I got your line.
I got your hat. Got your hat.
There he is. Gotta get this bait. Got your bait. There it is. Doubled up. Beautiful fish, dude.
Here's some nice ones.
Oh man. Here's a big old hump on his head.
Dude, and they weren't like on a bed or nothing. I was just walking, dragging the fly behind me. I'm thinking I snagged a rock or something.
All right, just land them. That is just insane.
Oh, we got a triple.
Tripled up. Oh, you threw it, you threw it. Beautiful fish. We get that.
I wasn't even rolling. It's a little guy, but a peacock nonetheless. Little guy. But hey, fish is a fish.
Oh, he smoked it. That was so sick.
That's easy. Oh, there's another one with him. There's another one with him. Oh, that one looks like a bigger one. You see him?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't see him anymore.
He's right there. He's right here. I'm gonna catch him.
Catch him, catch him, catch him.
He's right here. Got him.
Nice.
Oh.
Oh.
Whoa. Whoa, what's going on there? That's a decent one, bro. What's going on there? I caught you. I caught the other one I was with you.
Got him.
Got it. Alright, ready? Yep. Oh. Really nice.
Damien, what you got in your hand?
Ceviche. I got all of that. Oh, that was so sick. He came right on top, bro. Ice that thing. Any followers?
I don't see any.
I think there is one.
I see something orange on there, but I don't see a fish. That's interesting. Catching a peacock on a spin rod. He came right off that pipe you're standing on. I mean, it is pretty fun on such light tackle. Oh, oh, he got away. Oh, I almost got hooked with a fly. Ryan took my fly rod from me. Little does he know this is much more effective right now. Having a blast with this ultralight. Whoa. Oh my God. Oh my God. Dude, he came like 40 feet and nailed it. I don't see one now. Dude, he came like freaking 30 feet and nailed it right here. I was bringing it in over here. He came up out of the deep and just nailed it right on the shoreline. Ryan's like, I think I'm rethinking this fly rod thing.
Awesome.
Wow, that's like way in there. Oh, got it. He ate a lot bigger than he is. When he came up out of the deep water and nailed it in about 3-4 inches of water, he looked huge. But this is how aggressive they are. Yeah.
Watch. Oh!
Dude, these eats, bro. If we capture these eats at 120 frames per second, we just gotta do justice to these fish and capture them like in its entire, like it's hard to portray the power that these fish have when they come up to eat a fly. Sink charge at like 40 feet. Yeah. Why do I keep saying yeah? Oh, the bird. Film it.
What is that thing?
If any of y'all in the comments know what this is.
Oh, peacock, right on the bank.
That's the one I just threw.
I know.
Oh.
Do it again.
David caught a bass and his first peacock.
2 casts, 2 fish.
2 casts, 2 fish. We walked around the whole lake, you know, to catch fish. David comes up here like, all right, we're ready. 2 casts, 2
Drops
fish.
the bait. Fish. Drops another bait. What do you think about that, bro?
Nice little choke too, right down there. 2 casts, 2 fish.
Let's go. Be sure to subscribe. Hit that like button. And we'll catch you in the next video of Estrada Art Fishing.
Eric puts us on the stuff,
Yes,
bro.
sir.
You gotta subscribe. If you're not, you're missing out.
Missing out. Gorgeous. Probably the biggest one of the day for me.
No way. Where to God?
Where? How big?
About that big. He came chasing the fly.
Really?
Yes, swear to God. Black fork tail. Oh,